Hi, good morning everyone. Good morning. So today when I woke up, I decided I'll do a vlog. Why not? Ayan, kontra na naman siya. Si Arte daw. So where are we going right now? Look at this. This bra looks nice on me, right? And I'm wearing shorts. It's very unusual for me to wear shorts. And there's a chopper. Wait. I think there's the police.
Look at my outfit. Nakapangbahay.
Oh, can you see the chopper? Can you see the helicopter? No. Where is the helicopter? Right there. It seems like a police helicopter. And it's not moving. It's just floating. So we are going now to a supermarket which is just a walk away. Maybe just a 2 minutes walk going to supermarket Aldi. So that's our house, yeah? Ligoan natin si Angela. Yeah! So this is si Angela. Si Angela liligoan namin. Ito yung liguan. So this is the car wash. Is there also vacuum inside? Ikaw naman nakikita ka sa vlog ko. Nagpa-vlog si Ine. Yeah.
Eh ako wala.
Baka pagkakitaan ko tong vlog na to. So this is the bus going to the city. So this is the bus stop there. So that's the supermarket that we're going. So we have to obey the law. Dito tayo tatawid. Here. Oh, and it's go. When you hear that, it means go. Tito Ron will make lumpia today, right?
Oo nga, chicken and gusto ko nga ng chicken.
Andito na kami sa Aldi Supermarket. Kapitbahay natin. This is the Aldi Supermarket. This is the chemist store. What can we buy? What can we see from chemist store? Intimate wash, right?
Huh?
We don't have intimate wash. Pahugas ng pepe. So, andito na kami sa Aldi Supermarket together with my wallet. Okay, let's go wallet.
Ilang saging ang gusto mo?
We're going to buy banana. Dami niyan, Bing.
6 piraso, okay lang? Okay lang. Ano ba yan? Anong bibili natin?
Ang tahimik dito. Ang tahimik dito sa supermarket. People are not chatting. See that? So this is what the pancake mix and shake looks like. Maybe we have to add water, yeah, or milk. Original. This is buttermilk. I'd rather go for the buttermilk. You too? So this is the original. Okay. Buttermilk. What else? Are you making also like brownies today?
Kailangan ko ng cocoa powder.
Oh. Ang laki ng baking powder dito, oh.
Meron ako niyan.
Ito pala eh.
Cake mix with ice.
Magdala kaya ako nito sa Italy, tapos made in Italy din pala. Laki ng mga tomato dito. Tomato sauce is 2 liters. We don't see that in Italy usually. 2 liters of tomato sauce. There's only like 500 ml of tomato. Here's. Baby, wala na tayo nito. Protein something. Protein snack. We're going to buy it? Protein snack. Wheat bee. Wheat bee.
With Bix. Nandoon yung protein.
Okay.
Baliktad naman. Ibaliktad
I don't know how to baliktad.
Oh, pause mo.
Oh, baby, do you want bed sheet? Gift ko na lang sa'yo. Oh, maganda siya, in fairness.
Kaya mo? $80.
Ay, 80? Kala ko $17. Oh.
Ito ang amin ang Tito Ron.
Nasira. Who's this? Elmo. Ang cute naman. May mga ganito. Buti malaki na si Val. Hindi na niya kailangan yung mga ganito. What is this? So, which one are we going to choose? The 5.19 egg or the 5.49 egg? Because we're Filipino, we chose the 5.19 egg. $5.19. Get it? It's okay, we have two hands. Wow. This is a Turkish pie. Baby. So I took plastic. It doesn't cost any dollar, right? The plastic. Sa Italy, may 2 cents na bayad. No, it's not 2 cents. 20 cents yata. Ang plastic.
Kukuha ka ng karne?
Yeah. Two cents.
Napaka-poor naman ng Italy.
No, we're in crisis. Kaya lahat binabayaran.
They're poor. So poor.
Kuha ka na matigas. Let me see how you hold the matigas. Is that how you hold the
Yeah.
matigas? Pindot. Oh, there. I think it's enough.
Ay, meron pala. Chocolate ulit.
Yeah.
You buy 2.
Oh, really? Okay. One is chocolate.
Oh, get
2 of the mint. Oh, okay. I'm gonna get the wafer roll. This is nice. Really. Oh. There you go. The chocolate. This one. So I'm bringing this also to Italy. And I hope after Christmas I could still find those flavors. Because I'm gonna do the shopping right after the Christmas. So this is the protein bars.
Ining, para hindi masyado malaki ang video mo.
Yeah.
I-stop mo, tapos mag-video ka ulit.
I'm stopping it. Yeah, it's chocolate chip.
8 minutes na eh.
Kanina pa tayo nag-start. Ayan. Gluten-free para may celiac disease ka.
4 ang health star niya.
Oh, 4. We should look at the star. Date and chia. Gluten-free
Ito.
bars. Yeah. Itong apple and cinnamon, walang star.
Hinahanap ko nga ang star eh.
There's no star.
Itong morning break bars, ano lang, 2 stars.
Dun tayo sa healthy. 2 stars lang. Tayeng.
Please put the card into the card reader and follow the instructions.
Done.
Well, if I do that,
Oh, we're done with the grocery shopping. And I felt like my bra is going down. Okay, so we're going to chemist. Going to chemist store.